Alright, what's up YouTube? We're in the Gutted S2000 right now. Let's see, where does this thing go? Put it in here. Put it in there. Alright, so we're gonna go drive around and warm this up, and then I will just talk about the car as we're going. Let's go. I kind of feel like an announcer with this microphone on.
In the right corner of the ring, we have the S2000 weighing in at 2,400 pounds.
Now that I've taken out all this weight, the acceleration is noticeably quicker, but the problem is, if I'm going to try to do like a 0 to 60 or something like that, I'm just going to spin the tires. The big thing is not the 0 to 60, because I take this car to the track. The big thing is like when you're moving, like when you come out of the corner. So, for example, and that is great. Although this is registered for the street, I don't like driving on the street. The only reason I'm doing it now is to make this video. Got a little bit loose there. Alright, we're gonna go out to, let's see, where are we gonna go? I kind of want to go out that way. Alright, so I'm definitely popping off the ground there. The spring rates on this car are very stiff. We're gonna do a launch just to see how the car takes off now. But the thing is, it's not gonna get any grip because I have these all-season tires on here. My Hankook RS3s are in my garage. Downshift to third pickup is really great. It's going to be a lot of fun to get this car out on the track.